Hey guys, today we're going to be doing some reading. For reading this week, we are going to be looking at recalling key details when we read. That just means that when we read, we can remember important details from the text. And this week, when we look at different texts, different reading, we're going to be looking at nonfiction, which means that everything that we're going to be reading about is going to be true, real facts. So I am going to go ahead and get started. We're going to practice just reading two different passages. The first passage that we're going to read is spiders. So if you want to read with me, you can go ahead and kind of point to the screen and follow along as I read. You can say the words out loud, totally up to you. If you want to pause the video and read it first to yourself and then unpause and listen to it back, that's also fine. Whatever you want to do to help you practice. So I'm going to start spiders. Spiders have 8 legs. They like to eat bugs. Some spiders are little and some spiders are big. This spider made a big web to catch bugs in. Frogs like to eat spiders. Look out, little spider. Okay, that's our passage. What were we reading about? Yeah, we were reading about spiders. We could have listened to the details in the story, we could have looked at the pictures, or we could have looked at the title. So the main topic that we were reading about was spiders. So we are going to work to answer some questions about key details from that passage. The first question that we're going to ask is right over here. It says a spider can make a bug, B frog, C web. Which one of those things can a spider make? Now, before we answer the question, what I want you guys to do, every time we read a question, I want you to go back and I want you to look over here. Don't just rely on your own memory. Don't say, oh yeah, I remember the answer. I know what a spider can make. I want you to actually find it in the text. So you can pause it and look for it. And then once you found it, hit play. Okay, did you find it? Spiders can make a big web to catch bugs in. That's what I underlined. So you would come over here and you would circle B frog. No, yeah, you'd circle C web. A spider can make a web and you'd circle that. Just like this. Just go ahead and circle it. All right, let's answer some more questions about this little spider. Number 2 says, spiders have blank legs. A, 2, B, 6, C, 8. Well, that's a key detail about spiders. I want to know how many legs that they have. Pause the video and go back in the passage and find how many legs a spider has. Go ahead and pause the video. Hit play when you found it. Okay, did you find it? Okay, did you underline spiders have 8 legs? Good. So then you're just going to come over here and you're going to circle your answer. And yeah, your answer would be C, 8. Okay, we're going to do 2 more. Spiders like to eat A, bugs, B, frogs, or C, cake. Well, that would be cool. But I don't even remember reading anything about cake, so I don't think C is going to be our answer. Go ahead and take a second, pause the video, go back in the passage, and find, what do spiders like to eat? What do they like to eat? Pause the video, hit play when you found it. Okay, did you find it? Did you underline They like to eat bugs. Yeah, you should have underlined that. I know right here I see the word they, and you have to make sure that that word they is actually talking about what the question asks you. So right here it says spiders. How do I know that this they means spiders? Because I see the sentence before it says spiders have 8 legs. They like to eat bugs. So I know that this sentence up here was talking about spiders. So this next one where it uses that word they is also talking about spiders. So you're just going to circle bugs. Okay. The next question says frogs like to eat. What does a frog like to eat? Pause the video and go back and look and see if you can find your answer. A, spiders. B, fish. C, webs. What does a frog like to eat? Go back in the passage and underline and find your answer. Point to it when you found it. Hit play when you're ready to move on. Okay, did you underline frogs like to eat spiders? Yeah, you're gonna go ahead and come up here and circle spiders. Woo, you're a genius. All right, we're going to do one more. This time, the nonfiction passage that we are going to be reading is about dinosaurs. We're going to be writing out our answers this time instead of circling A, B, C, or D. All right, you can pause the video and read it to yourself and then hit play and listen to me read, or you can read along with me. Totally up to you. All right, I'm going to start with the title, Dinosaurs. What did this little dinosaur eat? Oh, here's my little dinosaur. He ate plants. Yum, yum. What did this big dinosaur eat? Oh, here's my photograph of a big dinosaur. He ate little dinosaurs. Uh-oh. He saw the little dinosaur. The little dinosaur ran and ran. He got away. He was a fast little dinosaur. We're going to come over here and answer our questions. Here I see it's just fill in the blank questions. So we're going to be writing in our answer. Same thing. We're going to read the question. We're going to go back in the passage to find our answer. First, it says this is a little blank. What is this? A little what? Go back in the passage and underline what answer you would put in that blank. Hit play when you're ready. Okay, that is a little dinosaur. Yeah, easy. It liked to eat. What did that little dinosaur like to eat? Can you go back in the passage and kind of circle what he liked to eat? It liked to eat. Can you go find it? Ah, plants. It liked to eat plants. I'm just going to fill in that blank so that sentence makes sense. Okay, gonna go to the next one. This is a blank dinosaur. Well, here's the picture it's talking about. What word is going to go in that blank? Let's get that key detail in there. Now, this is a big dinosaur. Would this be right if I put little right here and circled the little up here? No, because this isn't a little dinosaur. It has to be that key detail from the text so that that sentence makes sense. All right, we're going to do our very last one. The big dinosaur ate little... The big dinosaur ate little pieces of chicken? I don't know. Let's go back in our passage and circle our answer. The big dinosaur ate little blank. Pause the video and go back and find it. Okay, did you find it? This big dinosaur, he ate little dinosaurs. So you should have gone back and found that answer so that you can write it in. And that is how we answer key details in the text. We can make sure that we go back and we find them. Okay, see you guys soon.